Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I've just got these out of my heater propagator. First of all, my dahlia. I've just took some cuttings off these. This is a red one. Got my little tag there. I always forget the name of everything. And I thought this was dead, but as you can see, we have some really nice shoots coming out of here. Some there. That's all good cutting material. I'll show the ones I've just taken. Put the lights on here for you. These are them here. I took some a few weeks ago from some others I had, but they were too small and they didn't root. But if you see that one there, that one in that corner, that's one of them. As you can see, these are a lot bigger, so these should stand a much better chance of rooting. So I'll give them a good water. They're in here heated now, so fingers crossed they should root nicely. But basically what I'm doing here is moving on these begonias. These were started there under the heat. Now I have got some top growth. What I like to do with these is, as soon as I get some top growth, stick them in these containers here. One of them each. And they will then go round here under my lights. This is what I did with this one, and look at the difference. You can see that. That is absolutely brilliant, that. Really enjoying the light. These are LED lights, so they're not too strong for them. And it's heated under here, so by spring I should have some really good show-stopping begonias, which I'm really pleased about. These ones are, this one is from Whispers, a begonia from 5X Nursery. These weren't cheap, I bought this last year, but hopefully I can take some cuttings off it this year. It's a really solid tuber, and I'm really looking forward to that. You can see on my videos from last year how well these flower, absolutely amazing. So let's just back round again. Sorry about this, folks. Right, here we are. So yeah, when I pull these up, I'll just show the roots underneath, and I think you'll be amazed. It always surprises me. They don't like it growing that well. I should just put some compost in these pots first. That's it. I fill them with a little bit of compost, as you can see. So what we'll do then is we shall just want to get underneath them, get as much root as you can with them. As you can see, just starting to send out some new roots, which is brilliant. And if you just see them there, all we do with these then is just on top here, give them a twist, get them down there, and then fill with the compost round. You don't want to cover, I'd never cover the tuber, just get it level with there, give it a tap, a little bit more, and then give it a water around the edge. And they should take off like a rocket now, those. Look at this one. See with this one's a little bit newer shoots on there. Just see the roots there, they're nice white fibrous new roots. That's what you want to see. You know that they're really starting to grow well then. See them there? Just see them there. And around there, like see-through white roots, growing really well. So all you need to do with that one then is, in the top like I did with the last one, give it a little twist to get it bedded in there, and then just spin it round, get some compost, get it up and level. Right, so give it a tap down and just give it a water. And all I'll do with these then, these will go under here. I'll show you where I put these. That's what I'll do with them next. I'll put these in my tray to soak a little bit first. But here's where they'll go at the end. Under there, you get some nice light and some warmth. Right, so these LEDs, so they're not super strong, they don't blind you. It just gives adequate light for them to start them early, like that one there. So yeah, absolutely brilliant. So yeah, I'll put these and water these. Put these in my little tray now for half an hour. There we go. In there. Get them watered. And then give them a drain and then put them under there. So yeah, that's just moving my begonias on, how to start them. I use a peat-based compost. which I can't recommend enough. I'll be putting some more begonias in here to start off. I'll dig some up tomorrow because it's quite cold outside. I'll start some more begonias off and off some more cuttings. But yeah, that's how to move your begonias on. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like the videos, please subscribe. Say goodbye, monkey. Goodbye, monkey. Thank you very much for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.